stupid silence. You've been standing right there all along, even though.
Hello dear students, welcome to chemistry class. I am Sindhu sir with other video of chemistry. Yesterday we discussed chapter 8, redox reaction. Some portion of that we have completed, few portion of that chapter is remaining. And here we are going to discuss chapter first, that is some basic concepts of chemistry. Some basic concepts of chemistry. Okay. So in that we will see, I have told that first and second both paper will be taught. First and second both paper will be taught. So first 3 days you got video of second book, and last 3 days you will get videos of first book. So in that I have to start here this lesson. In this lesson teacher has told that portion he has taught, and so I have to start scientific notation. Scientific notation. To know that we are studying science, so we have to write all the things regarding science. Regarding science we have to write all the things, not in simple way. So that we have to learn, because we have not learned that. So we have to learn here. And one point I would like to remind you that videos may be longer, maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes, okay? Because your syllabus is little lengthy, so I have to make big videos, otherwise I can't cover whole syllabus. So I have to take it from starting, so 30 to 40 minutes or more than 40 if needed, that can be extended. To understand all the topic you should watch the video till end. If you do not watch the video till end, it will be difficult for you. After watching the video, if you have any doubt, you can comment, and the channel also, that my channel name is Chemistry with Santosh Pandey sir. So if you want, you can subscribe also. If any query is there, you can call me, or you can comment, sir, I could not understand, but I hope whatever I am teaching you will be able to understand. Okay, and chemistry is the easiest subject. You will see, if you are with me, you will feel it. Okay, chemistry is the easiest subject. So here scientific notation. So in scientific notation, what is that? If I wrote this number 100,000, I wrote this one. Then 1,000, like this I wrote. Here I wrote 200, like this. Another number, if I am writing here, 0.00008, like this. So this number is normal way to write this. Normal way to write these numbers. But what is the easiest way? Scientific notation is easiest way. Scientific notation is easiest way. So we have to write it like this, or we can write it like this: 1 into 10 to the power 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is scientific notation. That is scientific notation. Here, if I am writing, what is 1 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Power 7. Here, in this, I can write 2 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. And this can be written 8 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to the power minus 5 here. So if decimal is there, just to see, if decimal is there, the number after decimal will be taken as minus. but decimal is not there, and before decimal we will take number as a positive way. So and this notation can be denoted like this: n into 10 to the power n. This is exponential. N is exponential and it may have positive or negative value, and this is the number. This is the number. So it can be defined as. So here what we have seen, we are defining the scientific notation. So how can we define? It can be defined like this: exponential notation in which any number can be represented in the form like this. What is scientific notation? Exponential notation in which any number can be represented in the form like this. It's called scientific notation. It is given in your book also, where this n is exponent which can have positive or negative value. Which can have positive or negative value. And here n is number. N is number. Understand this? What? The exponential notation in which any number can be represented in the form of n into 10 to the power n is called scientific notation. It's called scientific notation, where n value may be positive or negative. Let us see some example. So example number first is this. What is example number first? Here. I am writing here. Example first. Here. Example first. And this, if I wrote this 200,000. Okay. So in scientific notation, how will you write? In scientific notation, this Sn 2 into 10 to the power 5. Yes, sir. That is scientific notation. That is scientific notation. If I wrote one number here, 220 lengths, I wrote this number. So in scientific notation, how do you write? 2 into 10 to the power minus 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is scientific notation. So representing a number in the form of n into 10 to the power n is known as scientific notation. This number help us to represent big numbers in a simplest way. In a simplest way, like crore, 10 crore and 100 millions, 100 millions. So it is easy for us to represent the number. We are science students, so we have to be smart. So here we will learn smartness. Okay, so this is scientific notation. Next, in that we will see in scientific notation multiplication. In scientific notation we will see multiplication. So let us see here, this is multiplication. 4 into 10 to the power 5 and 8 into 10 to the power 4. So if we are solving this, how to solve it? Here 4 into 8, 32 into 10 this, and power will be added 5 plus 4. So what can be written? 32 into 10 to the power 9. Understood this? This is multiplication. This is multiplication. Other example I am taking here. 2.2 into 10 to the power 8 in bracket 3 into 1.3. 1.3 into 10 to the power 7. We have to multiply. Okay. So what is the rule? The rule is this: n into n into 10, n plus n means sum. Where is n is that? N is this. Understood? Here. So here what will be answer? If you are multiplying here, just to see. 13 to the 26, 6, and 13 to the 26 and 2, 28. After 2.1 and 2, put decimal here into 10, 8 plus 7. So it will be 28 into 10 to the power 15. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. Next, let us say division. Let us say division. Let us say division. Okay. So in division, we will see like this. If I put 8 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 2 into 10 to the power 5. So we can cancel this 4. What is the meaning? 4 into 10 to the power 8 upon 1 into 10 to the power 5. So how we can solve it? So here is, so how to solve? 4 into 10. What is power? 8. We will write in bracket. 8 here downside minus 5. Then answer will be 4 into 10 to the power 3. Okay, students? Don't be confused. These are very simple things. You have studied in 9th and 10th class. So I am not going in detail. Still, if somebody has doubt, you contact me. I will clear it. But I think everybody is clear. Some students have doubt. Any doubt about this? If you have doubt, contact me. I will clear it. But I think it is clear to everyone that I explained here. Means the division, that is multiplication, and how to do the multiplication in scientific notation. Next is what is addition. So I am teaching you addition, multiplication, division, but not what you studied in earlier classes, second, third. It is scientific notation. We are discussing addition, multiplication, and division. So let us take some example. By example, it will be clear. Okay. So for that, I am writing here 220.28 into 10 to the power 3 plus 8.28 into 10 to the power 4, like this number is. So you have to add both of them. For adding such type of numbers, first we have to make power equal. Then same power number can be added. Directly these numbers can't be added. So you remember it. These two can't be added. So it is our responsibility to change it. Okay. So of course we can change it. Here, if I am changing this, what? 20 here. Power is, just to see, power is here 3. So if decimal move that side, so that will be power 4. So I can write 2.028 into 10 to the power 4 plus 8.2 into 10 to the power 4. Now it can be added. Other way to solve this is that this can be converted to this also. Let me explain first here. So we can add here. So we can add 10 to the power of 4. In this case, power will not be added. What is power? That will be written. So power is 4. I wrote. Here, after two numbers, we can write 1 0. Any problem? No. So 8, 0 and 8. 8, 8 and 2. 10, 8 and 2. 10 and 2 and 0 and 1. 3. And here what is that? 8 and 2, 10. So this is our answer. This is our answer. Other way is what? This can be done like this also. So here we can change this value. We can change this value. So if we are changing this value here, 2.28 into 10 to the power 3 plus, if we are moving that side, right side, just remember, if we are moving decimal right side, positive number will decrease. So if we are moving that side, what it means? 82.8 into 10 to the power 3. So now divide. So power is 3 and we can add now. So how to add? We can add 0 there, if no number is there. So what will be? 8, 0, 8 here and here. 10, 8 to 10 point. Okay, 8 to 10 point and 2 and 1, 3, 8 and 2, 10. So like this. Both answers are same. And this can be written like this also. Here 10 into 10.308 here. That we got that answer. So that we got, that can be written like this, and finally it can be written like this in scientific notation. Okay, and here this is it. This is, so we can write this also. So what is that? Both answers are same. Next is subtraction. So in subtraction, let us see. In subtraction also we have to do as addition. Let me write. Let me take. It is different type of subtraction. These are the basic of the chapter. So all of you watch it carefully. It will help you to solve problems, numerical problems. If you learn this, it will always help you to solve numerical problems. So don't take it lightly. It is very important for you. Then I am teaching this. I never taught unnecessary thing. What is necessary for you for your better future, that I am teaching you. So remember it. Whatever is being taught, that is important for you. Okay. So don't think that sir is teaching addition subtraction. We are not in second class. That sir is teaching addition and subtraction. Okay, students. So think it is important for you. Like that subtraction and addition you have not done. So we have to learn. You have to learn these things to be a better student. Okay. So let us see here addition subtraction. Like this. 12 into 12.826 into 10 to the power 5 minus 44 into 10 to the power, what is 24 into 10 to the power what? 6. So you will understand. Simple, same I can take, but I will not take same. I will give example. that also don't worry. So here we have to subtract. Okay. So in this you don't think that is in minus, we have to subtract, just we have to subtract it. Okay. So here what is this? 12. In addition and subtraction we have to make exponent equal. But we have to make exponent equal. So exponent is there 6 and here 5. So what we can be made equal? How can we make? Here? Yes. So we can make equal 12 in 0.826 into 10 to the power 5. Okay? Minus here 440 into 10 to the power 5. Okay, children? Might be understanding? Like these questions if are there. So all you do one thing. Draw one line, other side, and write the number 446. Yes? And after that, here put the decimal. Okay? And you count how many numbers are after decimal. So here how many numbers are there? 1, 2 and 3. Then you write 30. Yes? Understood this? Yes. And then you write the number 112.826. Now subtract. Here 4, 9, 7, 1.97. Understanding how it came 9? Yes. From here carry a 3, 1, 2, this. And power is same. So what we will write? 427.174 into 10 to the power 5. 10 to the power 5. So like this we have to do. This is the way to solve subtraction, because in physics and chemistry you have to solve numericals. So for that you have to learn these things. These things are very, very useful for you. That's why basics are being given. Okay, so this can be done. Next, if you may be thinking, sir, if powers are same, so how we will solve? Some students are thinking, if power is same, so we have to do something. Let us see by taking some example. If power is same, so if I make this one power 5, I made power 5. So what we have to do here? Just see. If both power is same, so nothing we have to do, just to write here 44, just write 44 point, how many numbers are after decimal? 3, so write 3, okay, and here 12.826. Okay, so what answer? 4, 7, 1, and then we will subtract 2 and 3. Okay, so powers are same. So we will write power 10 to the power 5 and 32.17. This will be the answer. Okay. So this is the scientific notation. So any number can be represented in scientific notation very easy. Other we will write like this also. 3.2174 into 10 to the power 6. Can be written like this. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay. Significant figure. What is our next topic is significant figure. It means meaningful digit. What is meaningful digit? Or we can write meaningful meaningful digits. Meaningful digits. Meaningful digits. Okay. So let us see what does mean of this here. If I am writing 2-3 numbers, first I note here like this. Okay. Second, I wrote like this. Like this. Third, I am writing this. I wrote 3 numbers. So if I ask you that in first, these numbers have any value, you will say no sir, because after decimal these numbers has no value. So which one is meaningful digit? This one is meaningful. Only one is meaningful. Understood? This one is meaningful. Here, if I ask you this, how many meaningful digits are there? Yes. All are meaningful digits. All are meaningful digits. Okay. So here and here, all are meaningful digits. But this has no sign. So that will be, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 are the meaningful digits are significant figure. Here 4 is the significant figure, and here what is that? 1 is the significant figure. So this is the significant figure. There are some rules. With the help of that, we come to know what will be the significant figure. So let us see what is here. So I will take your book and from there we can see, because it is given in that also. So by discussing that we can get to the points. So you understood what is the significant figure. I told you by giving example. Here first, all non-zero digits are significant. For example, here our first one is all non-zero digits. Like if I wrote this like this. So all non-zero digits are significant. All non-zero digits are significant. Here significant figure is, what is 3, there 2, and there also 2. Yeah. Understand this? In that we will see, if I wrote here this 2 here, so what is significant figure? There before decimal. Because this side there is no number, so this has no value. So significant figure is 2. Understand this? This side no number is there, so significant figure is 2. So all non-zero are significant figure. Next one is 0 proceeding to first non-zero digit are not significant. Such 0 indicates the position of decimal. Thus this has one significant figure and this has 2 significant figures there. Here, next point is, second point is that, what is second point? Yeah. Zeros proceeding to first non-zero. 0 proceeding to first non-zero. 3. 0 proceeding first non-zero, like this. Here, okay. That position of decimal point, the position of decimal point. Thus, here 0 proceeding to first non-zero digits are not significant. Decimal proceeding to zero values are not significant. So what is significant figure? 1. Here what is significant figure? 2. Understanding this? Again. So some more I am adding here. What is significant figure here? 1. What is significant figure here? 1. So number proceeding after decimal and that is C is not significant figure. Okay. Next, zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Next here. Next is this. 0 between two non-zero. This is here. So what is significant? 1, 2, 3, 4. Significant digit is 4. If 0 is between two numbers, that has significant. If 0 is after decimal and before decimal, no number is there. Only 0 is there. Has no significance. I told you, if 0 is after decimal, like this, and before decimal only 0 is there. Before decimal only 0 is there. So these zeros are not significant. Here, I specify. So what is significant? 40%. But if 0 is between two non-zero number, that has significant. That has significant value. Zeros at the end. Zeros at the end of a number has significant value. Zeros here, zeros after the number at the end has significant value or significant figure. So what will be the significant? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Significant figure is 6. Understanding this or not? Just here. But if any number is written here, just to see, and after that only decimals are there. After decimal only number is there. Just to see both same number. But what is the difference? After 8 no decimal and 6 zero. So significant figure of this one is 6. But after that significant. After decimal zeros are there, is 5 0 I am writing here. So if after decimal only zeros are there, they have no significant values. So what is significant figure? Significant figure is this. Understand? So like this we can understand. Okay. If other number I am taking here, like this, what is significant figure? So just to see, if I wrote 80.00, 80.00, so significant figure is 2, because after decimal, here zeros are there. So significant is 2 only. So let us write some. And to solve it, write a significant figure. Write a significant figure. So I have written here questions. You solve and write significant figure. Write significant figure. So please pause the video and write significant figure. And after that I will write significant figure. You match from there. So please pause your video and solve yourself. And after that, you see the answer. I will write. Okay. So students, I hope you will do like that, because I am asking for your betterment. I am asking for your betterment. I have given this to show you that you understood what I taught or not. For checking you that I am giving. My dear students have understood or not. So please pause the video and solve it. Okay. Let us see here. What is significant figure here? I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Significant figure is 4. Here, significant figure is 1. Clear here? You can read the 4 points what is given in here. What is significant figure here? 4. Here significant figure 3. Here 4. Here 4. Here 2. 5, 4, 5. So these are the answer. Please match it. Okay. So here next one, precision and accuracy. A story is this. In this, 2 gram is given to 3 students. That is A, B, and C. And they measured. First A student measured and told 1.95 and 1.93. 1.95 and 1.93. So this is precision. It is showing precision. This is precision. Okay? Because little difference is there. Little difference is there. Here, and if we are adding both, so approximate means exact, not exact, but near about that we are getting. Near about that we are getting. Yeah, this is precision. A and B is precision. Some students could not understand here. I know that some of you could not understand. A student measured 2 gram and he told the values. So if values they don't have difference more than 5, they are in precision. 2 values he told. 1.95 and 1.93. So these two are precision. Students B, he measured that 1.9 and 2.05. So it has so much gap. So this one is neither precision nor accuracy. And students 2, student C measured once he told 2.01 and 1.99. So when we added and we got exact. So this is accuracy and that is precision. Understood? That is precision means just closer to that. If both values are closer, not difference more than 5. More than 5. So you may see that not difference more than 5. That is precision. In this, this one is neither precision nor accuracy. Okay, so because so much difference is there. And in third, you may see so much closer value, and when we took average of this, we got answer like that, and that, and here it is accurate. So this is accuracy, and that is precision. Understood this? And here it is very close, 91.99 like that. Okay, so it is very close. So that is not the precision. That is precision. This one is accuracy. When we are adding 2 values, what we told, and we are getting exact to that, means 1.94 means 2, so like that. Here it is coming 1.99. So this one is neither precision nor accuracy. And here this one, if we are adding both, we are getting exact. So this is accuracy. Some students could not understand precision and accuracy. Precision means the difference is not so much in both values. That is precision, not more than 5. That is precision. Accuracy means just difference 0.1 or 0.5. That is accuracy. When we will add both and we are getting average, the resultant is original that is accuracy. We got accurate value. What we have taken, that we got accurate value. That is accuracy. Okay. Next is multiplication and division of significant figure. Multiplication and division of significant figure. So students, I am writing here. So if you are understanding whatever I am teaching, please like and subscribe. At least if you are watching, at least one like you give. If you understood what I taught, if you couldn't understand, please don't like. But if you understood, please like and subscribe my channel. That is motivation for me. So better videos you get. If you are not liking, not subscribe my channel, that doesn't matter. But if you want, you do it. Okay. So let us see here significant multiplication and division of significant figure. So in multiplication, I will take some example here. Just to see. From your book, I have taken here. So it will be easy for you to understand. If here 2.5, okay, and 1.5 multiplying, so we are getting here 3.125. If we will multiply this value, we will get. So here, what is significant multiplication? This is it. Okay, some students are confused. Yes, I know. When first time I also studied in 11th, I was also confused. So when topic was taught, it was clear to me. So I think it will happen to you also. Okay, some are confused here. Okay, so let us see that how my students are confused. They have not to be confused. They have to be clear it. Okay, let us see here. So in this significant multiplication and other things, what is that? If multiplying two numbers, if we are multiplying two numbers here, if we are multiplying two numbers and getting the values, by example I will show you, then it will be easy for you. So I wrote 4 examples. Yes, here you see. In multiplication or in number, when you are doing calculation, especially in maths, so if after decimal 2-3 numbers are there and we have to calculate at least two number, so what we see last number of that, last number. So if last number, just to see, if last number is more than 5, so we give 1 plus to previous one. 1 plus previous one. If last one is lesser than 5, so we give 1 minus, we do not change. Let us see. Here it will be clear. You remember it. Last number. So here last number is this. And this. Here 8. And here both we can see. Okay. So what is that? More than 5 it is. So what can we calculate this? 2.4 can be taken. What I wrote? More than 5. So we will add 1 place there. So this is 3 and we will add here 1 place. And need not to write again this. We will assume that is there. Okay. And here just to see. What I will say? This value is not more than half. Not more than half means not more than 5. So we will write same value. So what is that? 2.3. Understanding this or not? Not. Some of you are not understanding this. Yes. See once more. Here, what I told? If last number are more than 5, so we will add 1 plus in previous one. Just after decimal we can see the number just after decimal we can see. So here what I have done here, just see, do not understand here. Just as you see 7, 8 is there, more than 5, so I have added 1 here, so it changed into 2.4. Now understood now? Yes. And here, if not more than 5, they will not, do not change. Means no change at all. Same number will be written there. So here 2.3. So what is that? And after that 2. It is less than 5. So 2.3. Third, now understood? Yes. What will be this? What will be the answer of this one? Somebody? Yes. Somebody told me like that, sir. 7.9. Yes. Is it correct? Yes. So what will be? 7.9 because this one is more than half. So these are the multiplication and division of a significant figure. Okay, students. So please watch this video till end. Then you will understand the topic what is taught. If you would not understand, you may have my number. You can comment on my YouTube channel, and I will explain it more. Okay. So I think it will not happen to you that you could not understand. But if in case if doubt is there, you can comment. Okay. So if you are commenting there, first you subscribe my channel and like it. I want to see how many likes you are giving to this video. Okay. Thank you so much.